just to give you an idea of how things sound running through these channel strips, running through the drum bus channel and then running to the main channel. And I'm also sending the tracks to a reverb channel as well. So there's a little bit of reverb coming from the plate reverb plugin that is included in the Luna Pro bundle. So what I'll do is I'll play you a little bit of this and then I'll bypass all of the processing, so that will switch off the analog summing, the tape, the channel strips and the bus compressors. And it will also turn off the reverb.